Oh, fart.
Make sure it's time. Welcome back. Today we have a tunnel. You know what that means? Well, if you see so, comment me and send a comment to me. And if you like my channel, just subscribe to the Homelito Magazine. Whatever there is right here. That's starting. That one thing has saved there.